To keep this community growing and thriving, we need your support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss out any latest content. So in the last video we have installed this ODK Central application on the Linode platform. In this video we are going to discuss about how to create the projects and how to upload the form into this ODK Central application. So first of all, here it is the blank installed application. In this I have logged in and I have created the username and password for this in the last tutorial. If you are not watching this the last video, please watch. There are some basic commands and basic installation steps are there. So in this video we are going to see how we can create the project and how we can upload the forms into this. So here there is a section called projects. When you log in, you can able to see this entire screen. In this the projects will be there. Once I click on new, you can able to create the project. I am giving the project name as something like whatever the project name you can give. I am giving it as a test project. So once you click on create, the project will be created and you will be having this kind of interface here. So here you will be see you can able to see this forms section. Here we need to upload the forms. So how do we create the forms and how do we like define our logic in the forms and those kind of things we will see in this video. So here before that I will go through some of the tabs here. This is entities. In the last video I have explained about how these entities will work. So first if we have the baseline data, we can collect it in one single form, and then whatever the operations that form which is connecting with other forms, that can be uploaded here. And the project roles, we can have multiple project roles. If we have the users of around 10 to 15 users, we can assign the project roles here. The project roles are also mentioned here: project manager, project viewers, and data collectors. These data collectors can be given to the data surveyors. So where usually people takes up mobile phones and installs their ODK collect app, and then they go for the survey, we can give this data collectors role for them. They can be able to like upload the forms and they can be able to see the data of their own. And then these app users, so this is for the mobile application setup, authentication setup. So once we create the app user, it will generate a QR code. So basically the QR code can be scanned by the mobile application called ODK Collect, which is works in the Android mobile phones, not in iOS. And once that code is scanned in the application, ODK Collect application, that entire forms in this project can be assigned. What are the forms that are being assigned to that particular QR code can be shown on that mobile phone. So like this we create the app users. Once we create the form and we can create the app user and we can have a scanner in the mobile application, and then once we scan that QR code, we can able to get all the forms. And then form access, so we can able to like app user can only see and fill the forms that are expressly given access to the table below. So whatever the forms we want to give the access, those kind of forms will be available. Like once we create the forms, all these things will be enabled. And the settings, we can able to change the project name and we can able to like archive or those kind of descriptions, and we can able to give it here. So that's all for this video. In the next video we will be able to see how we create the form.